Berco sprockets guarantee maximum resistance and durability even in the most severe applications. Deep induction hardened and excellent depth pattern on entire tooth profile provide long wear life, either from cast steel or from hot forging. Accurate machining of hubs and flanges provide perfect interchangeability. Cast steel or hot forged steel for optimum internal grain flow. Single shot induction hardening for high surface hardness, HRC 50. Specific low alloyed boron steel, low alloyed steel for cast version, for high hardenability. Tempered to resist cracking and chipping. Optimized design to reduce stress concentration areas. Uneven tooth design extends wear life. Accurate machining of the mounting surfaces ensures best performance.